We've had students go to Swansea Market, which has been a real eye-opener for them. Seeing all the Welsh food, lava bread and cockles, those sort of things. They really enjoyed that. I had a trip to National Waterfront Museum as well last year with the iPads. We had the QR codes around, and obviously a lot of Welsh involvement there. And they found out a lot about the Welsh rugby team, about Welsh history and society things in days gone by, and Welsh industry, and they found that really interesting. A lot of vocabulary then learnt in Welsh, so it was a good activity. Hope to do that one again. So yeah, quite a lot of things going on. Dylan Thomas recently, celebration. Students went on the Dylan Thomas Trail, which they really enjoyed, and we had poetry readings at each various stations and things. So yeah, they got a lot out of it. And introduced them into the literature as well as culture and things. Really enjoyed it.